bullish run of gold last week, we looked at the structure from 4 hours and the daily and 3 hours. But if you look at 15 minutes, 15 minutes is like the X-ray of trading. It may not be the best for a lot of times, but I stick to 4 hours all through this week. I will only be on 4 hours, then mirror down on 15 minutes. So technically having a 4 hours chart and a 15-minute chart together. And on 15 minutes, you will see starting from you look back here on Tuesday, price create a structure, an ascending trend line, which is also visible on the line chart. So you see this is a supply roof, resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, resistance 4. On line chart close has given you an ascending trend line. That's an ascending trend line. So then after break of structure, it returns here as a demand floor. Demand floor 1, demand floor 2, demand floor 3, demand floor 4, break out of structure, started selling until we broke out of the structure. Then we now create a new high. You can see after break of the supply roof, retest 1, retest 2, aligning with the previous sell, align with this sell at this level. So we see after that, we had a fundamental data from a US, and we see that news has really gone in favor of gold, and gold came back to peak liquidity at 4303. 4303 on 4 hours and 3 hours is a strong demand floor and area to watch if buyers are stepping in to defend rally. But from what we are seeing now, there's a breakout of an ascending trend line. Ordinarily, market shouldn't have broken out from here. A breakout from this ascending trend line is a sign of weakness, liquidity weakness. So liquidity providers might not be coming to save the market now. They'll be looking for discounts. So what we see here is ordinarily, if we saw liquidity, healthy trend should have been that market move from here. Then we go back into 4406 and drop, but that didn't happen. So as long as we're broken out from 15-minute trend line, there's a very high probability that price will come into 4,300. At 4,300, every 15 minutes break is followed by a retest. If you look at the structure from here, every 15-minute break is followed by a retest. Every 15-minute break of a supply roof, ROS1, ROS2, ROS3, price came back here, demand floor. Break of another ROS level, demand floor. Break of another ROS level, demand floor. Look at it. ROS here, price act as a demand floor, and M structure, a double top structure. Break of the neckline, retest 1. Break of the neckline, price came back, retested it. So there is a probability that price will come back into 403, 400 and go back to challenge a broken 15 minutes 4,330 and drop from there into 4,283.52, where I see liquidity, and you see another upthrust. If buyers fail to defend here, most likely price will come down into 62. 62 is another strong floor. 62 is another strong floor on 15 minutes. So at this level, buyers this might be liquidity for the day during New York time. So it aligns with my earliest take, and the rally continue. And in the worst case scenario, you could see the market dip itself back into 4,230. 4,230 is a very strong floor on daily time frame and on 4 hours. It's a very strong time. And if you look at it from 4 hours chart, there is a very strong order at 4,002. That's 4,230, 4,222 is a very strong floor. So market might dip itself here. So these are under probability. So at this level, you could see the market reverse. But I think technically that market should come back into this level. I want to see price at this level, 4,300, 4,303, 4,307. This is what I want to see. So don't mind this. Don't rush. Allow the market to come. The market will come to us. It will come here and it will be a buy. And the worst case scenario, if buyers fail to defend every level, it's an alignment on the ascending trend line. We have here SR1, we have here as SR2. And if price comes back here, it will be a buy. So whatever pulls price here will return the structure completely. If price returns here, most likely you may want to hold. And maybe if it loses momentum at that level, then price will come here to reset. Yes, price will come here to reset. And if you look at the structure, it aligns perfectly. You see, for every signal, for every damage in the market, there's a potential signal, there's a potential warning. If you look at the structure on 15 minutes, you see price has created here, demand floor 1, demand floor 2, demand floor 3, demand floor 4, and this is the lowest it came, 4,220, and the rally began. So you see, price could pull back into here to align with the descending trend line and return the structure. So this is my perspective. Our strategy have changed, and we hope that the week becomes a very new beginning for the strategy. And so we are hoping on New York session as the only time we want to look into the market. For now, we're just observing the market to see what the market does. I'm waiting for volatility during New York session. So I'll be live New York for live trade New York session. Bye for now.